Coca-Cola Vanilla Waffles with mint recipe. These fluffy, flavorful waffles combine the sweetness of vanilla with the rich taste of Coca-Cola, topped off with refreshing mint for a unique twist. Perfect for brunch or dessert. Ingredients for the waffles: 250-gram all-purpose flour, 2 TSP baking powder, 1 or 2 TSP baking soda, 2 tbsp sugar, 4 TSP salt, 2 large eggs, 250 ml Coca-Cola, preferably Coca-Cola Vanilla for enhanced flavor, 100 ml milk, 75 egg melted butter, 1 TSP vanilla extract. For the topping: fresh mint leaves, whipped cream or vanilla ice cream, chocolate syrup or caramel drizzle, optional. Instructions: 1. Prepare the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk the eggs, then add Coca-Cola, milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Mix well. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, stirring until combined. The batter should be slightly lumpy. 2. Cook the waffles. Preheat your waffle iron and lightly grease it with butter or cooking spray. Pour the batter into the waffle iron and cook according to the manufacturer's instructions until golden and crispy. 3. Assemble the dish. Serve the waffles hot with whipped cream or vanilla ice cream. Sprinkle fresh mint leaves for a refreshing touch. Drizzle with chocolate syrup or caramel for extra indulgence. Serving tip: pair these waffles with a cold glass of Coca-Cola Vanilla for the ultimate taste experience.